at the bridal shower, and that is what I am eating today. It is Saturday. Got a tomato, cherry, cucumber, celery, peppers, a couple grapes, some nuts, cheese, and that is a ham roll up and some lunch meat and carrot and hello. So that was yesterday. I recorded what I ate at the shower. Just wanted to show you all, whenever you go somewhere and you're not in control of your food, that, you can try to pick the best options. They may not be perfect options, but, you can still pick decent options when you go somewhere. Like I said, they're not perfect, but they worked. So this morning I woke up and I had a dream, and I was like, in my dream, I wanted to go sit outside. Well, I woke up and I was like, I want to go outside and have some coffee. Well, I've got a really, really nice backyard, okay? But the problem was I have, all this green and I had a bunch of gross stuff along here. And I thought, you know what, Terry, you are not who you were 160 pounds ago. Go get your hose and hose it off. So I did. And like I said, there was all kinds of, my lawnmowers come and you could see there's some algae or whatever that is along the wall. And I hosed that off a little bit. But there was all kinds of, dirt and fur and whatever all along under here. And I just wanted to, let me go with this route. I was like, I just want to be able to come outside and enjoy my backyard. So I hosed it off, and one of the dogs likes to pee on stuff, and so I hosed everything down, and now I feel like, okay, I can come outside and enjoy myself. But Terry, 160 pounds ago would not have done all that. She would have just continued to stay inside and complain and not get off her butt and do something. So look, there's a pile of fur. So anyway, so that's what I did this morning. I came out and hosed off my back porch or back patio, and now I can come sit outside and enjoy the backyard. I mean, look how great this backyard is, and I don't even use it to its fullest extent. I do have a gas grill and a charcoal grill. That was a gas grill that I turned into a charcoal grill, and I never even used them. So I'm going to get my the gas tank. I pulled it out, so I'm going to go get a new one. And I've got tons of charcoal inside. So one of these days, I'm going to get better at grilling and utilize my grilling skills. I could use that with those burgers, the frozen burgers that I have, and the pulled pork. I just need to learn how to use my grill. I'm not the old Terry, and I need to be more energetic and do more new things that I didn't do before. So anyway, that's what I did. 160 pounds ago, Terry would not have come outside to do the work to get the back patio cleaned off. I should have taken a before and after picture. That's a beautiful pecan tree, and the pecans come down and land on my patio, and the squirrels will come out and eat them. And so this was covered with pecans and just pecan holes and like I say, fur and dirt. So now it's all cleaned off, so I can come outside and enjoy my backyard. Good morning. So now my food. This is my brunch, I like to call this. And it's 6 ounces of 93% ground beef and 6 ounces of 80-20 steak bites that I had made. I'm going to add some quesadilla cheese, but I'm going to do half a serving, which is 14 grams. There we go. Then I'm going to add some seasonings. This is that seasoning. I'm going to end up taking this to work. This is that seasoning that I made before my trip. I took it along with me. I do not know what all was in it. You'll have to go back and watch some other video. It was just a mixture of all the seasonings that I like. Probably some Greek, some adobo, probably some of that smoked paprika. I've microwaved this for 2 minutes. I'm going to do 1 more minute. And here we got it. So I'm going to stir it up here a little bit, get the seasoning stirred in. This is going to be, I already had my protein coffee this morning, so this is going to be my, I don't know, lunch. I don't know, I have to name it. It's just my, I'm going to eat right now, and this is what I'm going to eat. There we go. There's a close-up of it. Have a good day. Supper tonight is pork. That pork loin that I made a couple weekends ago. And some California-style veggies. I'm going to use the G-Hue stir fry. I'll use 2 servings of it. You know, I put in here just so I have easier control. So that means 2 tablespoons, so 17, so 34 grams. All right, so that, then I use these coconut aminos, and that's in here. I'll do 1 serving, which is a tablespoon, so 15 mils. Okay, and then I'll do 1 serving of sriracha, which is 5 grams. Okay, then, you know, I can find them. Whoa, that was hot. Nope. Yep. Some sesame seeds. There's some sesame seeds. I wonder if they can even be in grams. Nope. There we go. All right. So, pork. I don't know. Pork something. Asian pork something something. That's my supper tonight. And today's Sunday. Have a good day. See you tomorrow on Monday. And here it is in chronometer. Have a good day. Bye.